Hey guys, this is Logan from Maxxis Hot Rods. Today we have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It's the 4-wheel drive edition. This has a Smittybuilt steel bumper on the front with an XRC winch. It has 37-inch Maxxis tires on 17-inch Pro Comp wheels. The 37-inch tires are non-competition. It has LED lights all the way around. Aftermarket tubular running boards. It's a 5-speed manual transmission with the cloth interior. Stock head unit. It's got aftermarket grab handles. The windows are tinted. It's on a 3.5-inch suspension lift. It's Teraflex. Around the back. Aftermarket Smittybuilt steel bumper on the rear. It's the cargo area. Subwoofer in the back. It is working. Spare tire eliminator. It does not come with a spare tire. It has the aftermarket flat fenders, aftermarket short antenna, and the upgraded hood clips, LED pod lights. Go ahead and open the hood for you guys. This is a 3.8. Also to mention, this Jeep has a Rusty's steering kit installed on it. It's the upgraded tie rods. As always, this has a clean Carfax. We'll go ahead and start it up for you guys.